Chioma, the most beautiful woman in Amasa, was born on Orie Market Day. She loves going to the river every morning with her best friend Amaka to swim and fetch water. One fateful evening, she went to the market and had to run back home as she was insulted in the market for being a debtor. They mocked her and made jest of her. As she prepares her meal for her family that night, the wonderful aroma from the kitchen of her neighbor insulted her the more. Her husband, Emeka, an accountant, lost his job 2 years back, and things had been very difficult for the family since then. She complained to her husband and made up her mind to do something about the situation. She set aside 4 market days so she can go alone to the river to swim, cry, and pray for her husband. On the 4th day, she wore black and returned home with a cowrie that she gave to her husband. To her greatest surprise, her husband called for a meeting in their yard the next morning and told him about this crypto business idea called Naira Coin. To register, one has to deposit a wrap of pounded yam. He visited more families and soon there was plenty food in Chioma's house. Business grew and her husband became very rich and popular. Now, people come to their house to celebrate and eat. Wives should be the backbone of their husbands.